How to factory reset iPad if forgot password. First, check if you can erase the iPad remotely by signing into iCloud.com. Find My and choosing Erase iPad. Because that removes the screen lock if the device is online and linked to your Apple ID. If that's not possible, put the iPad into recovery mode and connect it to a computer running Finder or iTunes to restore the device. And if the computer doesn't recognize the iPad, you may need to use the correct recovery or DFU button sequence for your model so it can be detected. Keep in mind a restore will wipe your data and activation lock may still require your Apple ID after reset. If the official routes are too confusing or unavailable, a tool like MagFone iPhone Unlocker offers an Unlock iOS screen workflow. Connect the iPad, follow the on-screen guide into recovery mode. Download the matched firmware and click Unlock to remove the screen lock and reset the device.